Hi. We're here getting ready to do another ribbon cutting for the local area Chamber of Commerce in Lincoln. Yeah, what's this all about anyways? Well, they do this every once in a while for their different businesses.
You gotta tell them what repower is all about. This is Cash. Cash will tell you exactly what repower is all about.
All right, yeah, tell me all about what repower is in 10 words or less.
10 words or less?
No.
Let's see.
1 minute.
Smarter homes.
You got 1 minute.
Smarter power. Empowerment for the homeowner. Peace of mind.
That all sounds pretty good.
That's 10? That's 9, right?
How much is that?
Happiness.
How much is that going to cost me?
Nothing out of pocket.
Ooh. Ooh.
Yeah.
So you put solar panels, photovoltaic,
We do photovoltaic for homes
yes.
in the Sacramento area, Lincoln, most importantly. Basically, we give people an opportunity for home automation, and what that entails is giving you an opportunity to see your usage, see where you're consuming your power, and giving you control at the handheld device level.
Nice.
So this is just a basic example of that. Got a smart board here that you can also control via your smartphone or tablet or whatever device you choose. And yeah, so everything from air conditioning to the lighting to your doors, your windows, your garage doors, everything in between. Lets you know what's going on in your home.
Nice.
If you can see, the lights are turning off. I'm controlling this from my Apple device.
All right, turn those lights on again.
Wow, from the device.
Oh, that's pretty cool.
Yes. And you could, and it alerts you when you have the option of 2 door sensors, like a window or a front door or back door. It'll alert you when that front door is open and closed. Sends you a message right away, so it's pretty awesome.
Nice.
And then you get to control your thermostat from your phone or Apple device as well. So
cool.
That's just a little treat that we give all our clients when they go solar.
So did you guys just move into Lincoln, or have you been here for a while?
We have been here for quite some time, believe it or not. Yes,
and you're just now joining the Lincoln Chamber of Commerce?
We've been members for quite a few years.
Oh, okay.
Yes, so
you just now
branding, so we
finally
decided to do a ribbon cutting.
started to do the ribbon cutting.
Absolutely.
All right. So that's what we're here for, right?
That's it.
Yeah.
Everybody wants to get on board. All it takes is, get a hold of Cash.
Okay.
Go make an appointment. Then you get to meet with a great Sun advisor like myself. And we'll show you what it takes to do this.
Nice. Well, thanks for having us here.
Thank you.
Thank you for coming.
I don't know.
Visit them at repowersacramento.com. Check them out, and maybe your home could be the next refurbishment. We're going to take a quick tour through here, shall we?
This right here is where, from the moment we get our contract signed, she gets on there and starts emailing the client, hey, thank you for joining, Repower by Solar Universe, the whole 9, gets the full package, the welcome letter, everything. So she is really, I wouldn't know what we'd do without her, honestly. So that she just holds us together.
That's good. That's good. You need somebody to do that.
Over here to the other side, we have our little break room. Not much, of course, just a little hallway there. Sorry we didn't have any popcorn today. So I know.
Yeah, it's ribbon cutting and everything.
This is our conference room. They're having conference right now, so can't really interrupt that. They just don't.
They don't want to bother.
Yeah, Jean sits over there. It's our basically our little office area here. Okay, everybody here gets a board, and we just kind of line up things that we do. That's our contract board.
I think they got enough people here to service your needs, even if they're busy working on another one.
Red letters this time because of our repower is our main color is red now. So, but every day, every month we change different colors to just keep it going,
Absolutely.
Right here we keep a list of who we have talked to, who's hot, who's ready to do this. What can I do to make this happen? Why haven't they closed? Obviously they're interested, right?
Right.
But something's holding them back. So let's find out what that is and get them going.
I like the way you do that. I know. How could you not say, sign me up?
This is our warehouse. So this is the hot seats. This is the hot seats right here. This is what we call the hot seats because these are for our canvassers. So we actually have canvassers that go out there and
That's awesome.
they do some door knocking, and when they're hot, they come back, they sit on here and just start disputing all the contacts and everything to us.
That's great.
No, by the time they get back here, they already have a set appointment. They know how much usage the client is using. You know how much money it's costing them a year, and all we'd have to do is just sit here and design the system, draw it up, figure out, okay, is this going to work for their house or not? And if something looks fishy, then we have to go out there and kind of do an on-site visit.
That's awesome.
So yeah, but over here is just our warehouse. So over here, and this is where we stage all our jobs that are coming in. This is a weekly, everyday assignment here. So we have every board is a client, right?
Oh.
So every section is a house, and these are every day. So we start here. That's going to be installed tomorrow. Then Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So we have our weekly. And we have at Fridays we have a new shipment that comes in.
Pretty much our warehouse, and I think they're explaining.
I'd say they're set up pretty nicely, wouldn't you? Yes. I've never tried solar on a house, but you know what? It's probably just a good thing. All right, look at those scissors. Don't get your fingers next to those. I think we're ready for the ribbon cutting. Better not miss this. It's just something the chamber does. I think it's a nice little touch.
I'll close the doors.
Your crew needs to. Everybody, yeah, the whole crew needs to be in the picture.
Okay, come on, Gene. It's you.
Who cuts it?
Everybody in here.
I get to cut.
I'm not twisted in that way. Okay, there we go. So, Julia's gonna take the picture.
Yes, I am.
I want to do a side. I want to do a side one.
Oh, it's okay.
Is that okay?
No.
I want to do a side one. That way you can get the link in.
Yeah, stay here.
Everybody get in.
And then what we'll do is,
Okay.
we'll take a couple. Don't cut it yet.
Yeah, don't cut it. Don't go
We have
crazy.
plenty of ribbon.
Hey, yours has been specially stamped.
That's right.
You only get one stamp.
We only get one step. Stop it.
I'm not gonna move.
Okay, everybody.
Scissors. Get ready
Make
with
it
the
look like
scissors.
you're gonna cut it, but don't move.
Don't really cut. That's gonna be hard.
Hold on one second.
What about everybody else?
Nobody else wants in. Okay.
Repower.
That's right. Okay, we took some of that. Okay, now wait. On the count of 3, we're gonna let
Can
you
you
cut
see
it.
the link
okay?
in on the scissors?
You cut on 3.
Cut on 3. Okay.
You got it?
1, 2,
Cut it?
3. Yep.
Yeah! Woo!
One snap.
Those are very sharp scissors, so.
Very sharp.
We'll make a bow out of it. Put it on the hood.
There's your ribbon cutting.
Very nice.
Hey, you gotta join the Lincoln Area Chamber of Commerce. They've got all kinds of things coming up. And it's a good way to get out there and network with your community.
Just kidding.
Your business? Sign up.
Around the repower.
Yes, call them with any questions. They'll be more than happy to talk to you. And of course, they're licensed. Yes, indeed. Or you can visit their site, powersacramento.com. Repower by Solar Universe.
Bag that doesn't have all my stuff.
Repower by Solar Universe. You gotta check them out.
We have little barbecues.
Hey, wait, what did you say? How come we don't do anything fun like this?
Do anything fun like this?
Well, you're not part of the chamber then, huh? You need to sign up.
Yes.
Oh, okay. I see you got your little brochure, and you're going to sign up because they do lots of cool stuff.
Yes,
You know that.
They do, obviously.
Yeah. Okay.
Yes, thank you
You
so
can
much.
be the next ribbon
next
cutting.
one.
Okay.
The next one will be us.
All right. Good.